Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to copy and paste transparent image in Photopea. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Photopea software and open the transparent image on your project. We can see here the image. Now you want to copy the image, select this image and go to the layer option. Select the image layer and we can see click right button this option and you can see here the duplicate layer. Now I am selecting duplicate. We can see we copy the image easily. Otherwise you can copy this another way. Click the image, go to the edit menu, click this copy option, then again go back, select this paste option and move this. We can see we copy and paste the transparent image in Photopea very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.